Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Lesson 7 of Seasons and Weather. So today, we're going to find out, why do lightning and thunder happen? What causes thunder and lightning? Our first vocabulary word that we're going to talk about is scare. And the next word that we're going to talk about is severe. And severe means very bad. The next word we're going to talk about is shelter, a place or covering that gives protection from bad weather. Shelter. The next word is strike, to hit or attack with a sharp blow. Strike. So this thunderstorm is very severe. Tell a grown up about something you know that is severe, which means very bad, severe. The purpose of listening to today's story is so that you know what to do next time that you encounter stormy weather. So you're going to listen to things that you can do when you encounter stormy weather. Dear kindergartners, have you ever seen a thunderstorm? I got caught in one the other day, and it made me realize just how amazing and powerful the weather can be. The thunder boomed and lightning flashed. It was quite a show. Today I'm going to tell you about severe weather and how to stay safe during thunderstorms. You probably know what kind of weather to expect when you look up and see large dark clouds like these in the sky. These are storm clouds, and unless you want to get soaked, it's time to get indoors when you see a storm like this moving. See these clouds right here? That's no good. It means that you need to get inside. During a thunderstorm, you can see lightning. Lightning is a stroke of electricity that connects energy in the ground with energy in the clouds. Sometimes you can see a bolt of lightning when a flashes and zigzags in the sky. Lightning is often followed by a loud clap of thunder. If the thunderstorm is far away, then the thunder may only sound like a distant rumble. But as the storm nears, the thunder gets louder and louder, and the time between the lightning and thunder gets shorter and shorter. Thunder cannot hurt you, but lightning can be dangerous. So the sound that thunder makes cannot hurt you, but this lightning right here, it can be very dangerous. A lightning strike knocked down this tree. Lightning can start fires too. Worst of all, lightning can seriously injure or hurt a person. There is a very small chance of being struck by lightning, but it can happen. Fortunately, there are simple ways to be safe from lightning during a storm. My teachers taught them to me, and now I'm going to teach them to you. Lightning tends to strike tall things like trees, tall buildings, and the smartest thing you can do in a storm is stay indoors. If you can't take cover in a building, then a car is also a safe place. In case you ever get stuck outside in a thunderstorm and you cannot get indoors, it is important that you remember never to take shelter under or near a tree or tall object. Even though trees leaves may help keep you dry, you never want to be near a tree if it gets hit by lightning. Instead, you should lie down flat on the ground, far away from a tree, and wait for the storm to pass. You'll be drenched, but you won't get struck by lightning or a fallen tree. Another important rule is always to get out of a pool, lake, river, or ocean immediately during a thunderstorm. Electricity moves through water, so anyone in the water can be hurt by a single lightning strike. It's best to be safe and stay dry inside during a thunderstorm. When it is cold outside, you might see hail during a storm. During a hailstorm, chunks of ice called hailstones fall from the clouds onto the ground. Usually, hailstones are small, about the size of peas and smaller. Sometimes, however, hailstones can be as big as a golf ball or even a baseball. It is always best to stay indoors during hailstorms. It is important to know how to stay safe during storms and other kinds of severe weather. If possible, don't go outside at all in any kind of storm. If you have to go outside, wear the right kind of gear, like a raincoat and boots and a hat during rainstorms. Be smart, be safe, so you can enjoy the amazing power of nature. It's quite a show. Have you ever experienced a thunderstorm? What did you see? What did you hear? Draw a picture of a thunderstorm.